Hey there, fellow students. Today I'm going to share with you the top 3 grammar rules you're probably breaking. Let's dive right in. Rule number 1, never use double conjunctions. Now, what does that mean? Let's look at an example. Because he is absent, therefore he will be fined. This sentence is incorrect. Why? Because and therefore are both conjunctions that serve a similar purpose. You only need one. So you can say, because he is absent, he will be fined. Or, he is absent, therefore he will be fined. See the difference? Clean and straightforward. Alright, moving on to rule number 2. Be careful with question words like why, which, when, what, whom, where, whether, how, and if. They should fit smoothly into the sentence without any extra words. Let's check out some examples. He asks Wasim that where he has been living. This is incorrect. The correct way to say it is, he asks Wasim where he has been living. Got it? Simple and to the point. Here's another one. All asked me that what my name was. Wrong again. The correct form is, all asked me what my name was. Notice how clean that sounds? Finally, rule number 3, use can't help or couldn't help with the ing form of the verb. For example, saying, I cannot help but praise, is incorrect. The correct way is, I cannot help praising. See how that flows better? Another example is, he could not help but criticize me. This should be, he could not help criticizing me. It's all about making your sentences sound natural. So there you have it. 3 simple grammar rules that can make a big difference in your writing. Rule number 1, don't use double conjunctions. Rule number 2, properly integrate question words into your sentences. And rule number 3, use can't help or couldn't help with the ing form of the verb. Start applying these rules today and watch your grammar skills improve. Thanks for tuning in and happy studying. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Catch you later.